Hello students, welcome back once again. So now it's time. We are going to begin with our today's EVS class. And what are we going to do in it? We are going to quickly revise some of the shapes that you have already done. Okay? So let us first see which are the different shapes that you have done. And then I will tell you that there are 8 number of objects. There are many objects we can find in these shapes. Okay, shall we begin? Great. The first shape we have is circle shape. So what we call this shape? We call it circle shape. Now this shape starts and ends at the same point. Yes, there is no side. इसकी तो कोई side ही नहीं होती. ये यहाँ से start होता है. You just go around and come back on the same point. So it's a circle shape. Say with me, which shape is this? Circle shape. Yes. Now some quick examples for the circle shape we have is sun, moon, we bindis, then we wear bangles, chapatis. They all are circle in shape. Okay. Now for more example, let's move ahead and I'm going to show you one by one for all the shapes. Okay. First let's see which is the second shape. What is this? It's a square shape. What do you call it? Square. जिसमें 4 sides होती हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shape has 4 sides and we call it square shape. What do you call it? Square. And you know, all these 4 sides they are equal. वो जब आप measure करोगे, जब आप उसको measure करोगे ना scale से, they all will be equal. Now example for square shape. Your handkerchief, isn't it? Photo frames. Then we have carrom board. You all love to play that. It's an indoor game. Carrom board is also square in shape. Then we have handkerchiefs. They are square in shape. Then photo frames are there. I'll show you all. Okay. Next we have is a triangle shape. A shape that has 3 sides. Just count 1, 2, 3. So this shape has 3 sides and we call it triangle shape. Now there are so many examples of triangle shape. We have samosas, isn't it? Then we have flags, we have sandwich, then pizza slice. जब pizza को एक slice लेते हैं, not the whole pizza but only one single slice, then that is triangle in shape. Then we have birthday caps. You all love wearing it. Birthday cap is again triangle in shape. So let's see few more examples of these shapes. But once let's say their name together. Circle. All of you just say with me once. What is it? Circle. What's this? Square. Say once again. Square. What is this? Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. We call it triangle. So circle has no side. Square has 4 sides. And triangle, it has only 3 sides. Okay class, let's move ahead and see some more examples of these different shapes. Okay. So class, now let's begin and understand about different shapes. As I told you, we are going to learn about the shapes circle, square and triangle. These are the three shapes we are going to talk. So the first shape we have is circle shape. Yes. So there are so many objects we have in circle shape. Let's see them. A beautiful smiling face. Can you see this? A smiling face is here. Then we have the wheel. It can be a wheel of cart, cars, buses, scooters. जो tires होते हैं, they all are circle in shape. Then you can see, what is it? It's a button. You all wear your dresses, isn't it? Now you all can see that your dresses are also having different buttons. So all these buttons are circle in shape. Then what is this? Wool. Yes, it's a wool. Now whenever you go to market and purchase this wool, you will find them balls like this. Then we have a ring. You all wear a ring. Sorry, your parents wear a ring. Mama, Papa, isn't it? So a ring is circle in shape. Can you see this ring also? Yes, it's a circle shape. Then what we have? A Christmas wreath. We use it to decor our home doors. हमारे जो घर के doors होते हैं, Christmas पे हम इसको वहाँ use करते हैं. Then again some other Christmas decorations. Then we have tomato. Again, tomato is also round, isn't it? Then we have disc, the one with which we play. We have candies. They are sometimes circle in shape. Then this is a planet. Again, the planet are circle in shape. We have Earth, we have Mars, Venus, Jupiter. Different planets, they all are circle in shape. Now let's see few more examples. Now what do you have to do here? You have to tell which object is circle in shape. What is this? Sun. Yes. So sun is also circle in shape. Now what's this? A lollipop. Lollipop is circle in shape. Then we have balloon. You all love playing with balloon and we decorate on our birthdays. So balloon is also circle in shape. Then we have a slice of lemon. That too is circle in shape. So how a circle shape looks? It looks like this. Can you see? What is this? Circle shape. Is that clear to everyone? Now let's move to the next one. Which is the next shape? Square shape. I told you the shape that has 4 equal sides is a square shape. So what are the examples? Clock. Biscuit. Yes, we all eat these biscuits. They all are square in shape, isn't it? Then we have mats, handbags, chess game, TV, calculator, then gifts, pillow, window. Then what's this? Jigsaw puzzle. You all love playing jigsaw puzzle. So jigsaw puzzle is also square in shape. Then we have paper. Paper is square in shape. Craft papers we use for making different things. Your origami sheets, They are square in shape, isn't it? Then what are the different other squares we have? Carom board, chess I have already told you, bread slice, you all love eating sandwiches, so the bread slice is again square in shape. Then we have blackboards, square in shape, clocks, windows. So there are many objects which are square in shape. Now how a square shape looks? It looks like this. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. So the shape having 4 equal sides is a square shape. Yes, it is called a square shape. Okay, now let's see. Which is the next shape we have? Triangle shape. Yes. So how a triangle looks? It has 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, and all these 3 sides are joined with each other. So let's see some examples of triangle shape. Watermelon, a slice of watermelon. Then hills, mountains, they are triangle in shape. Birthday caps. You all wear this on your birthday, on your friend's birthday. So birthday cap. Then what's it? Tent. So whenever we go out to a place where we don't have any hotels, we take these tents and we stay in them. Then what is this? It's a toy where we stack things in one stick. You all must have played with this and might be having it right now also with you. So again you will see it is making triangle shape. Then these are road sign boards. Cones. You can find these cones at construction site जहाँ पे buildings बनती हैं वहाँ पर. Then we have umbrella. Slice of pizza. Everyone's favorite. Isn't it? So they all are triangle in shape. Then see this side again. What is this? A boat. बोट में ये देखिए जो ये yacht जो ये इसका ये कपड़ा होता है, that is again triangle in shape. Then Christmas tree. This Christmas tree is also triangle in shape, isn't it? So there are so many objects which are triangle in shape. And what is a triangle? A shape that is having 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And all these 3 sides are joined with each other. Clear? Now, there is a small activity for you all. What you have to do, you have to draw some shapes like this. And when you will draw all these shapes, what you have to do, you are going to color all the circles in red color. Color all squares with green color and all the triangles in yellow color. तो इसमें आपको सारे जितने भी squares हैं, big या small, which color? Green. For circle, either small or big or whatsoever, circle shape, red color, and all the triangle shapes with yellow color. You have to do it. Is that clear to all? Okay, bye.